Kalalabas lang ng bagong album namin. Sana masayahan kayo.
Ngayon lang po namin ito kakantahin. Sana pakinggan nyo ng ayos talagang bagong-bago itong kanta.
Hindi po ito lip sync. Walang bahid ng kalipsing ang aming kanta ito. Ito ay ang kantang You Are the One, Not the Only One.
Another day passes by, dreaming I know you. And going on in my dreams, just a dream, just one true. Somehow I'll find you, even though it takes all of my life.
All of my life.
Ang dami namang tao.
And when I finally do,
When I
I
finally
know it's like my
I
heart.
know it's inside my heart.
Baby, I'll tell you, I knew it from the start.
Well, you are the
You are the
one.
one that I've been searching for my whole life. You are the one that I've been looking for, and now that I find you,
I'll never let you go.
I hold you in my arms.
'Cause you are the one. Sana may stage pa pa roon.
Palakpakan naman dyan!
Another night and alone, lying in the dark.
Lying in the dark.
Dreaming, but I know your voice is to my heart.